Greetings, fellow food lovers. Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the world of homemade cookies. Get ready to satisfy your taste. Let's dive right in. First up, it is everyone's favorite chocolate chip cookies. Get ready to indulge in gooey chocolatey goodness. We start with the classic chocolate chip cookies, perfectly soft and chewy. These are a must try for any cookie enthusiast. Check out these mouth-watering recipes. Craving extra chocolate? Dive into the world of double chocolate chip cookies. These distant treats will satisfy your sweetest cravings. Next on the list, we have sugar cookies. These blank canvases are perfect for decorating and making your own unique creations. Before we dive into the decorating, let's master the art of baking perfect sugar. These sugar cookies are an excellent base for all your creative ideas. Now it's time to let your imagination run. Learn how to decorate sugar cookies like a pro with these stunning ideas. Looking for something a bit different? Say hello to cookie cake. It is the perfect fusion of cookies and cake. Discover how to create your very own cookie cake. With these easy to follow recipes, it is the best of both worlds. We know some of you are health conscious, so we have got something for you too. Healthy cookies recipes that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Explores these healthy cookie alternatives with satisfying taste. It is a guilt-free indulgence. As you find of the nutty goodness in your cookies. In this category, we have driving into the world of nut-infused cookies that will leave your taste buds in you. Almond lovers rejoice. Discover the delightful flavors of almond butter cookies within these easy-to-follow recipes. If you crave the rich, buttery goodness of pecan pie, you will adore these pancake pie inspired cookies. Get ready for a nutty and sweet adventure. For those with dietary restrictions, fear not. We have got a selection of scrumptious, gluten-free cookie recipes that are sure to please your plate. Indulge in the classic chocolate chip experience without gluten. These gluten-free versions are just as delicious as their traditional counterparts. Enjoy the comforting flavor of oatmeal raisin cookies. In a gluten-free twist, these cookies are a delightful treat for those with gluten sensitivities. They are habit flocks, the best cookie recipes revealed. Head over to our website blogginggoodfood.com for detailed recipes and more culinary inspirations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay up to date with the delicious content. Until next time, happy baking!